Hello English together and welcome to the first quiz about the simple past tense with the verb to be. Before we get started, let's go over the instructions. So we will first read the sentence, then choose the correct answer. Now remember you have 5 seconds and then the answer will appear. Now let's get started. Question 1. The correct answer is letter C. I was tired yesterday. Question 2. The correct answer is letter A. They were at the park last Sunday. Question 3. The correct answer is letter B. Lisa was a teacher for 20 years. Question 4. The correct answer is letter B. We were late for the movie last night. Question 5. The correct answer is letter A. It was very cold yesterday morning. Question 6. The correct answer is letter C. You were in the library after school. Question 7. The correct answer is letter C. My brother was at home last weekend. Question 8. The correct answer is letter B. There was a good movie on TV last night. Question 9. The correct answer is letter A. My parents were on vacation in July. Question 10. The correct answer is letter B. I was very busy at work yesterday. Hey English together, you're halfway done. Keep going because you're doing great. Question 11. The correct answer is letter C. The weather was nice last week. Question 12. The correct answer is letter B. My cousins were happy to see me. Question 13. The correct answer is letter A. The book was interesting. Question 14. The correct answer is letter A. You and I were in the same class last year. Question 16. The correct answer is letter C. My dog was very hungry after the walk. Question 16. The correct answer is letter B. Her friends were excited about the trip. Question 17. The correct answer is letter B. Mark and Julia were at the concert last night. Question 18. The correct answer is letter A. It was my birthday yesterday. Question 19. The correct answer is letter A. I was at the doctor's office this morning. Question 20. The correct answer is letter C. They were very tired after the game. Hey there, English together. You did it. You finished the quiz.
Bravo on that, by the way.
And how did you do, English together? Feel free to share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.